Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Freezing your Snapchat location is super useful if you want privacy or just don't want friends knowing where you actually are right now. Step 1. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This takes you to your account settings where you can control your location sharing preferences. Step 2. Look for the settings gear icon and tap it to open your full settings menu. You'll see a bunch of options here, so scroll down until you find location-related settings. Step 3. Find the Location Services option and tap it. This is where you can manage whether Snapchat accesses your actual location data from your phone. Step 4. Toggle off the location access for Snapchat. When you turn this off, Snapchat stops pulling your real-time location information completely. Step 5. Alternatively, you can go into your phone's settings, find Snapchat in your apps, and manually disable location permissions there as well. This gives you an extra layer of control. Make sure you've completed all these steps so your location stays frozen and your friends can't see where you really are on the map.